Over 40,000 companies worldwide rely on SAP to run some form of their business. We will discuss one customer's journey from frustration to confidence when importing data into SAP financials. In large organizations, financial data exists in multiple applications. For a consolidated view of the company financials, data from many systems needs to be imported into SAP. Even slight differences in rounding rules, data precision from one application to the next, can lead to minor mismatches in the numbers. When loading data, if the sum of thousands of values is off from what SAP is expecting by even a penny, the entire load fails. Person hours are wasted researching potential sources of the error, finding that one row out of 100,000 that's the issue, and then fixing the error. Delayed imports mean delayed access to financials, and at the wrong time of the year, even delays in closing the books. ASG's Audit Analytics Services solves this problem by pre-validating the data before the import into SAP by reconciling the data against known good sources. It extracts the bad data and alerts team members to the issue and highlights the errant rows. This allows only validated data to import into SAP. The benefits to this include virtually eliminating SAP import failures due to bad data, reducing the time to research that bad data because the mismatches are already identified, and finally, success breeds success. From one success, others are identified and then implemented. Other teams learn of success and find new uses, and so on. In this demonstration, we will look at the Audit and Analytics Services dashboard to quickly view the status of this daily validation. We'll see the message and logs for this execution and see how to re-execute that task once the problem is resolved. Finally, we'll discuss how customers can extend these features for hands-off, enterprise automated solutions. We're now looking at the Audit and Analytics Services main dashboard. This browser interface will only show the applications to which a user has access and allows or prevents activities based on user privileges. I can quickly see that the SAP data validation application has a status of not balanced. This indicates that today's daily import file had problems. Clicking into the application, I can see all of its associated tasks. There's only one task in this application, but complex systems may involve numerous tasks, which can be linked together so that they only run if their predecessors are successful. Let's find out why this task failed. I can see in the message that out of all of the rows that were compared, 4 had some form of mismatch. That may be because the rows didn't exist in either the source or target comparison data sources, or the rows did exist, but the numeric totals didn't match. In either case, I can look at the logs to determine the cause of the errors and quickly resolve those. After the problem is resolved, I now have a new import file to use. So let's run this again. We can do that using the Run button here. We now see the status change to balanced, and that file is now ready to be imported into SAP. In today's world, the pace of business is hectic, and manually running rules and checking their status is a luxury many of us do not have. That's why for this particular customer, they use ASG's Xena orchestration platform to automate the execution of all of their Audit and Analytics Services tasks. In addition, critical success and failure results are directly emailed to the key stakeholders so they can react quickly. It's possible with ANAS to relieve hours and weeks of tedious manual work, improving the speed and quality of these processes, all with a solution that is auditor friendly.